In today's ever-changing agricultural market, there's one thing that remains constant, and that is rust. Whether your customer owns a farm, agricultural equipment, or a business in a rural setting where equipment is constructed of metal, they have to deal with rusted parts or structures. Now, for the first time, there is a premium paint product that is dedicated to solving the problem of costly corrosion that today's homeowners, farmers, and equipment owners face. Introducing Agriguard Rust Coater. Helping customers find the right paint product for the job often requires extra knowledge and a little more time. Many times, the job may take a premium paint product like Agriguard Rust Coater. However, explaining the benefits and the technology behind Agriguard can sometimes be a challenge. These tips will help you decide if your customer is a good fit for Agriguard Rust Coater instead of a conventional paint coating. Tip number 1. Know your customer needs by asking what type of paint project they'll be working on. Questions like, what type of paint surface will you be painting? Do you have rust and corrosion on the surface now? Have you painted this metal surface with another paint product in the past? Is rust and corrosion a problem that keeps coming back? If you receive yes to any of these questions, then Agriguard Rust Coater would be the best product for your customer. Tip number 2. Know your product. What makes Agriguard Coating Systems Rust Coater perform? What is the best surface preparation when applying the Rust Coater? How should the Rust Coater be applied? What colors are offered? What are the uses for each color? Agriguard Rust Coater is a specially engineered polymer paint specifically designed to coat over and encapsulate rust and corrosion on weathered metal by bonding the rust to the metal to prevent any corrosive material from permeating through. This hard impact-resistant shell stops rust in its tracks and will preserve and protect your customer's equipment for years. Agriguard Rust Coater is easy to use. To prepare the surface, brush off any loose impediments, dirt, and old paint. Then lightly sand and wipe down. A natural bristle brush or a shed-free roller is recommended for application, and when spraying, a MIOSHA-approved respirator is required. 1 gallon of paint will cover 700 square feet, saving your customer both valuable time and money. Agriguard Rust Coater is available in silver aluminum and gloss black. The silver aluminum can be used as a primer or top coat. The gloss black is for indoor use, under body carriages, or any application that is not in contact with direct sunlight. Tip number 3. Know the benefits. What does the science and technology behind Agriguard Rust Coater mean to your customer? Agriguard Rust Coater will outperform any conventional rust coating currently offered, benefiting your customer and extending the life of your customer's valuable investments. Low surface preparation. Paint directly over rust. Use as a primer or alone as a top coat. One coat coverage, saving your customer valuable time and money. Long-term protections for vehicles, equipment, fencing, roofing, virtually any metal surface from future rust and corrosion. Agriguard Rust Coater will benefit your customers' needs. Offer it as the first option over conventional paint coatings. Don't start with lower-price rust coatings if you know your customer will benefit from Agriguard Rust Coatings. Effectively selling a premium rust coating like Agriguard gives your customer a higher satisfaction rate and allows your customer to save valuable time and money from having to go through the lengthy and expensive process of recoating rust and corrosion year after year. This effectively provides you greater sales and service opportunities for you and your company.